আস্তে আস্তে ঘুরে উঠে
দাঁড়ান আমি ক্লোজ আপ করি ফার্স্ট
those who serve our country. I know both of you expressed support for Israel. If despite your best diplomatic efforts, Iran attacks Israel, would you be willing to commit U.S. troops in support and defense of Israel, or would you wait on approval from the UN Security Council?
Well, thank you, Terry. Thank you for your service to the country. I want to say everything I ever learned about leadership, I learned from a chief petty officer, and I thank you.
Let
me say that we obviously would not wait for the United Nations Security Council. I think the realities are that both Russia and China would probably pose significant
ঠান্ডা তুলিয়া কি তুই তোমার ভাই ঠান্ডা তুলিয়া তো কোনো ফায়দা নাই
It's a threat to the stability of the entire Middle East. If Iran acquires nuclear weapons,
Ita ricordo se la interessa sul body. Atfau. Oh. Okay, go around the room. This is the lovely room. Say. And this is Maniba's small little bed.
You hate anyone? No, I don't like you. Where are you?
Oh, I don't know.
Can you?
Sounds like a car.
Babi, Babi, bist du rennen? Ich kann alle wetten. Ja, mir wird